Tonight, the world changes. In this upper room, the king becomes a servant. He washes the dust from their feet, teaching a love that knows no bounds. He breaks the bread, this is my body. He pours the wine, this is my blood. A new covenant, sealed in a final meal before the shadows deepen. In the Garden of Gethsemane, the weight of the world presses down, sweat like drops of blood. Father, if it is possible, yet not my will but yours. A kiss of betrayal shatters the silence. The disciples scatter into the night. The light of the world is led away into the darkness of men. Before Pilate, the truth stands silent. A crown of thorns is pressed into his brow. Behold, the man, they cry, while the heavens weep in anticipation. The road to Golgotha is paved with agony. Each step under the heavy wood is a step toward our redemption. His mother watches, her heart pierced by shared sorrow. The iron strikes. The cross is raised. Between two thieves, the Lamb of God hangs in the balance of history. Woman, behold your son. Son, behold your mother. With a final breath, he cries, "It is finished." The veil is torn. The sacrifice is complete. He appears to them, showing his wounds the trophies of his love. Peace be with you. The doubt of Thomas vanishes in the presence of the living God. From the cross to the crown, from the grave to the sky, go and tell the world, the King is alive, and his kingdom has no end.